Thought I'd just share a quick tip about how I fill up big knots and don't have to wait for a long time for epoxy to cure. First, tape up the back side so you don't want anything to make through. Then I use some of this oatey fix-it stick. It's a 2-part epoxy. Pick it up at any hardware store. You just mix it together really quick. Gets all over the place, so make sure you wear some gloves. Should be a nice uniform color like that. Kind of stuff it down into that hole. This stuff sets up in about 5 minutes. Then I put some quick 5-minute epoxy on top of that with some black pigment in it, and we're good to go. Here we are about 3 minutes in. I can just barely dent it with my fingernail, so that's hard enough for my sake. According to the instructions, it reaches full tensile strength at about 1 hour. So now we wait about another 10 minutes. That'll be hard enough to shave off with a razor blade and move on with the part.
Oh, we just have to cut that with an arrow?
With a knife, yeah. There you go, quick and easy way to fill some knots. Doesn't take very long, and back to work. All told about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Have a good night.